Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the phone and opening settings. Go straight to Face ID and passcode and enter your passcode. Once authenticated, scan the screen for Reset Face ID and set up alternate appearance. You will not find a one-button delete for only one face. So, act now. Choose Reset Face ID to clear all stored Face ID data. This step removes every registered appearance, which is the only guaranteed method to eliminate a second or alternate face from the device. Once you tap Reset Face ID, the phone deletes all face profiles instantly. Make sure you want that before confirming. Next, choose Set up Face ID and position your face inside the frame. Follow the circular prompts, move your head slowly for 2 complete scans, and complete enrollment. Do not choose Set up alternate appearance when prompted if you only want one face registered. This ensures only your primary face is stored. It's the only reliable method to remove a second face. After setup, test Face ID on the lock screen, and with Apple Pay to confirm only your face unlocks the device. If it struggles, make sure the true depth camera area is clean, then redo the setup. Small obstructions cause failures. Once done, if Face ID still misbehaves, restart the iPhone and check for an iOS update before trying again. If problems persist, contact Apple support or visit an authorized service. They can diagnose hardware faults that a reset won't fix.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.